it the only way we know how. So we're going to continue to try to make connections and make it as fun as possible and try to do some learning along the way as well. So hope you guys can hang with us and still keep doing the best you can because you guys are giving a lot of really good effort. So we appreciate that. As for today, make sure you guys get all your stuff done for the week. Try to get any late work in. Try to get that in as quick as possible. That would be great. Some of you guys will start something different with our literacy. We'll have our AR test or our Seesaw. You can do a summary for that. And then we're going to start something new called a one pager. You may have done it before with our Esperanza Rising, and it shouldn't be anything new. If you want to click into both of those, it'll give you the two links. One will take you to a awesome thing that Miss Mickelson made. Could be a digital one pager or could be on a sheet of paper or paper as well. You can click into that when your group is ready. And there's also a one pager rubric will help you get started as well. Miss Mickelson has a wonderful video in Schoology that explains how to do this whole one pager and everything that you'll need in it and all the requirements and certain dates and stuff that will be due eventually on all of that. So those two things are big for you to kind of start with, as well as this video that's in Schoology. So how do you find it? It's in ELA, Lit Circles, and then one pagers down here on the bottom. The two things that I just showed you were these two links that will remain in here for the next couple of weeks and the rest of the year. And then the one pager directions, when you click into that, you'll play it the same way you've played all your videos all year. You can click into this button and it'll take you to our YouTube channel where you can watch the directions and stuff for that. So you may be wondering if you're my side of the mountain or even refugee, should you be worried about that yet? No, but it might be helpful for you to kind of start looking at it and thinking about it as well, because you will get that starting next week. So Sign of the Beaver and Incredible Journey, you two, both groups are doing AR tests or seesaws and then starting your one pagers tomorrow. As for math, I think it's going to get a little bit harder. That's why we put our scores down to 60. So try to pass 60 on both of these. If you can try to learn with an example on this skill, that would be another very helpful thing. Also, I really think you should try to draw things out as best as possible. So get some sort of marker or paper and draw out the problem that it's asking you so that you can try to visualize what the question's asking. So these two skills that I'm talking about, they only say new by them. They're by, I think, number 15 and number 16. So each of these ones you'll click into and then try to solve those the best you can. So again, you just have to get past 60, but feel free to reach out to Ms. Mickelson or myself, and we could try to help you the best we can. If you do finish early, we do have some of those extra things that can be fun with our Laker Maker Fridays. We have Where on Earth, on Google Earth is Carmen Sandiego. You may have played this one earlier before in social studies, and then Oregon Trail. You even have Dreamscape, Epic, some other podcasts or other activities in there as well. Be sure to finish everything for your specials and try to get everything done so you can have a wonderful weekend. Hope everyone is safe and well. Take care.